Elon Musk stirred a robust debate by suggesting that artificial intelligence could render jobs obsolete. Shockingly, 37% of AI-using business leaders claim to have replaced workers in 2023, with a staggering 44% foreseeing AI-driven layoffs in 2024. As we witness a transformation in the workplace, there's an emerging chance for individuals to escape the monotony of mundane tasks. Imagine a world where you can redirect your focus towards tasks that truly add significant value. History has proven the resilience of the workforce. Technological advancements haven't led to mass unemployment, they've paved the way for higher-value jobs. In this evolving landscape, the narrative of human-machine relationships is being rewritten. It's not just about adapting, it's about understanding the synergy between humans and AI. Defining the role played by AI becomes the key to unlocking a harmonious coexistence. This isn't just about AI reshaping jobs, it's a profound journey of self-discovery for humanity.